Greetings. Thank you for spending some of your time with me. Hello. It is sun setting, and I thought I would just share this moment of time and space. The sun is hiding behind the tree. Those are quite unique clouds. It's very beautiful. Some rock pods created by man for the flow of water. Quite unique clouds. So there is a laker off in the distance and a row of seagulls. Try and make it closer. So you'll see a bunch of kind of white dots, and those white dots are a bunch of seagulls, all in a line. They are all in a line. And that is a laker transporting various items. The seasons are changing, just like emotion. And that is from me to you.